Hi, my name is Adam Bergman. I'm a partner with the IRA Financial Group and president of the IRA Financial Trust Company. Today, I want to talk about the difference between a custodian-controlled self-directed IRA and a checkbook-controlled self-directed IRA. And I get this question quite a bit. People get confused about what types of self-directed IRAs are allowed. What is the difference with the LLC? Is that allowed? Is that new? What's the deal with the LLC? So basically, probably up until the early 2000s, people used a custodian-controlled self-directed IRA to buy real estate, for example. So what is a custodian-controlled self-directed IRA? It just means that the custodian is the one that makes the investment. So assuming Adam Bergman opened an account with IRA Financial Trust Company to buy real estate in my IRA, I would have and direct IRA Financial Trust Company to purchase the real estate. So that means I would direct them to wire the money to the seller. IRA Financial Trust Company would be involved with the closing aspects, signing all the closing docs on behalf of my IRA, signing on behalf of my IRA, and the title of the real estate would be IRA Financial Trust Company, custodian for the benefit of the Adam Bergman IRA. And that's pretty much the way it was done up until the early 2000s, when the checkbook control self-directed IRA LLC gained popularity. Essentially, there was a Swanson v. Commissioner tax court case in '96, which basically set the platform and legality of the structure that said, yes, an IRA could own a special purpose entity, wholly owned, newly established, and can be managed by an IRA holder without triggering a prohibitive transaction. And when this came to light, a lot of people and tax professionals said, you know what, that's a great approach. It's going to make a lot of sense to buy real estate, for example, with the LLC. I can open an LLC at a local bank. The IRA will own the LLC. The LLC will give the individual manager checkbook control that he or she could write a check or do a wire to actually buy the real estate. Title in the real estate will be in the name of the LLC. You get limited liability protection. You get efficiency where you don't need to rely on the custodian to write checks or pay for expenses, which, there's quite often time delays and added expenses. So real estate investors specifically love the checkbook control. We know the IRS, we know it's case law has established it's legal. There's tens of thousands of these structures, if not more, out there. And it's becoming the norm right now. Real estate investors want the LLC. There's a whole slew of custodians that offer it. And it's just really a special purpose vehicle wholly owned by the IRA. So you got the IRA up here, and you got the LLC, which is a pass-through entity, and the LLC will buy the real estate. The LLC does not file a tax return. A single-member LLC does not file a tax return. A multi-member LLC would file a partnership return, but there would be no federal income tax. So it's very clean, and the LLC, again, can have its own bank account. Title of the real estate will be in the name of the LLC. So there's just a level of separation between the IRA and the real estate. There's limited liability protection, which some clients really appreciate. And it's just a really easy way to buy real estate. And I think that is probably the trendiest, the trend right now in the self-directed IRA world. People are using the LLC as a vehicle to make real estate or even hard money lending, cryptos especially, where they want to have a little bit more control over the trading aspects. So the self-directed IRA LLC, also known as checkbook control or real estate IRA LLC or IRA LLC, is the trendiest way to do it. Although the custodian-controlled IRA still has a really important spot in the alternative asset industry. For example, hedge funds, private equity, land purchases where there's not a lot of transactions. The custodian-controlled approach, I think, makes a good amount of sense. Adam Bergman, IRA Financial Group. If you want more information, call us, 800-472-0646. You can email me directly. I will answer any question you have relating to self-directed IRAs. Adam, B as in Bergman, ADAM, B @IRAFinancialGroup.com. And thanks for watching.